Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to create a table in Microsoft SQL Server. Today we are going to learn a basic tables for product and sale. To create a new table, the syntax is create table, table name, column name, data type, it's up to you. You can create a number of columns in your table. This is column 1, column 2, data type. Okay, this is the syntax. Now we are going to create product table. These are basic tables. Create table product ID. This time I am using data type integer. Product name, data type string. We are using varchar 100. Okay, and unit price numeric. It can be in decimal, that's why I am using numeric. Okay. Let's execute this command. First of all, we need to select the database in which you want to create. I am landing database and going to execute this command. See here, the command is executed successfully. You can check the table from here. Refresh. And using select command, select start from product. See here, currently this table is blank, and we can also check here table. Now let's insert data in this table. Insert into product, column name, product name and unit price. Values, suppose 1, product name R, and unit price 5 lakh. Now going to another product. Let's execute this command, and now again check the table. See here. Let's create another table, sales. Create table sales, sales ID, integer, product ID, integer, say date, date time, total amount, say data type numeric, and in between you can use a column quantity. This can mean integer or numeric, depends on product. Now this time I am using this as a integer. Okay. Let's execute this command. Okay. And check the table. See here. Now this table is blank. We are going to insert the data in this table. Insert into sales, sales ID, product ID, sales date, quantity, total amount. Values, sales ID 1, product ID if you want to enter the sale for TV, then 2, sales date 1st January 2026, quantity 5, and total amount multiply by 5. Again to TV, for January, this is month, day and year, and one quantity. Let's execute this command. Now check the data. Let's see the data in both tables and run together. Okay, see here, this is our product table and this is the sales table. See here, sales and product column, product ID, product name with data type, you can see here, and sales, see here, sales, product, sale date, quantity, total amount. Thank you for watching this video.